I told him that he smells like an Abercrombie store. What did you hear?
Are we gonna buy a coffee store? Ain't my fault.
This was kind of complicated.
Camo, you're not supposed to sit on it.
Camo! Why is it not under my butt?
Hey, you're not supposed to sit on it. He gave up. He's playing with his piano and watching the news. Got some new headlights for the loser. These are called HIDs. And these are a hell of a lot better than the ones I used to have. The ones I used to have used to only come to about there. So yeah, I like them already. Always coming home. And somebody thinks the crib is his new bed. Camo! This is Dubya's bed. Okay, we're trying something with him, seeing if the uncle can switch glasses with Dad. Is that Daddy? He's like, I don't know.
What about now? What?
Is that Daddy?
What? He's like, I'm off. Oh, yours making my eyes hurt. Yours making me get a fucking headache.
Y'all need to look up at me.
I can't see. You holding up 6 fingers? Oh. How can you get arrested?
Who's Daddy? You don't know? You go to the beach? It's beach day. W's first day going to the beach. He gets to be in the water. Yeah. You going to the beach?
Little by little, come on, Doug. You can do it. Come on.
What are you doing?